Okay, next we are going to see or we are going to discuss about one router and three switches and three different network. How we can communicate. That is what we are going to see now. Okay, I'm going to place 1941 and I'm going to place 2911. Actually, in 2911, it is supporting three ports. Anyway, we require three ports. Then only I can connect three different kind of switches. Okay, I can create it as a hierarchical representation, but I'm going to change its representation. It's okay, just to look and feel, I'm going to change it. Okay, so I'm keeping switch here, I'm going to keep my switch here, I'm going to keep one more switch here. Okay, so hierarchical way also I can represent, but I'm changing the representation, changing the style. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to place the devices here. I'm going to place three devices here. Okay, I'm going to place three devices here also. If you want, you can add other devices also if you want. Okay, here I'm adding three devices. Okay, so next my aim is to use some kind of wiring. Yeah, to do the wiring process. Okay, before that I can save it. So I'm going to save it as a task new 2. Okay, okay, so you can give the task number also. That is user different naming only. So here anyway everything is different devices. So straight wire cable, here you can see that three different ports are there. So here I'm going to connect this one. Okay, then I'm going to connect another port using this here one, this one. Okay, here I'm going to connect use the next port. Okay, so three devices we can connect using that. Okay, again it is not a different, it is a different device, so I have to select this one and I have to connect. Here again it is different network, different device. So different device means straight wire cable. Again it is different device. Why? Because it is straight wire cable done. Yes, straight wire cable. Here also straight wire cable. 01 I already used, that is what 02 showing. Again straight wire cable. 01 and 02 used, so 03. So again I can so 04. Yes, done. Okay, now wiring has done, but I am going to set is different kinds of IP addresses here. So here we'll see, here actually I'm going to place 192 168.10.0 bar 24. Okay, here I'm going to put 192.168.20.0 bar 24, and here actually I'm going to send 192.168.30.0 bar 24. Okay, you can give 192.168 1.0 2.0 3.0 like that. You can give some other 10.000 11.8000 12.000 like that also you can give. Okay, that is your wish, but it must be different network. Okay, all are class 4 addresses. Okay, so different devices. Okay, so next actually I have to give the IP addresses, right? So if I'm giving here 10 here actually the entire wait here entire thing, okay, must be 10.00, that is giga 01 also in within this network range. And here also you sorry, so here also you can see that this giga 02 also part of 30.0, and this giga 0.3 I think here it is not showing. Yes, it is giga 0.0. Okay, that also part of 2.0. So I'm going to set the IP address for the router first, so that it will be easy. So 0 1, that is actually must be part of 10.0, right? So 192.168 10.10 I'm giving. Okay. Okay, then 10 giga 00, that is part of 20.0. So I'm going to give 192.168 20.10. Okay, done. Then 02, that is actually 30.0. So 192.168 10 dot sorry 30.10. Okay, that part is completed. So our gateway address, we already set our gateway address, that is actually 10.10 here, and here it is 20.10, and here it is 30.10. Okay, so we have set the gateway address. Next we have to set the IP address for each pc. So here I'm going to set the IP address. So anyway, that is 192.168 10.1 I'm giving. Okay, that's my first device. Then I'm giving the subnet, that IP address of gateway also. Okay, if you are placing router means you have to give the default gateway address here. Okay, so every system require the default that gateway. So here anyway this one, so here it is 2, and here it is 10. Okay, then we have to close that again, this one. Then here also it is 3, then 10. Okay, so here also that is actually 30, right? Okay, so 30.1, it is 30.1. Then you have to give the default gateway. So pc7, that I'm going to set as 2 10. It is 3, it is 10, and here it is 20.1. 20.10 is the default gateway. 20.1. 20.3. 0. Okay, we have done the default gateway addressing, but anyway we have to do the IP code. We have to do the IP routing. Then only we can forward the packet from PC0 to PC0 to this network PC, this network PC. Okay, so anyway we can try once. Here we are sending packet from here, so successful. Why? Because this is in the same network. So here I'm going to give packet from this to this. It will get failed. Okay, it is failed. Why? Because we haven't set any IP routing. So next we have to set the IP routing. So I'm going to help you with that for that. Okay, anyway, in the previous cases, in the previous network diagram, I have created two routers. So we have specified the next hop address, but here only one router is connected, and we have to set the network range of here network ranges only. So if you want to forward packet from 10.0 to 20.0 means you have to initially give IP space route 10.0, then its subnet mask, then 20.0, then from 10.0 you have to forward packet to 20.0 and 30.0. From 20 you have to 10% packet to 10 and 30. From 30 to 10 and 20 also you have to give. Okay, I will show you how to create, how to set the routing. So anyway, here manual process, using manual also you can do that, but better command wise will be the best option. So initially I have to quit from the interface. So EXI or EXIT I can use. EXI used. Then I have to use IP route. Okay, so we are giving the static routing, so no need to specify which routing protocol you are using. So IP route, then I'm going to set the, okay, from this 10.0 I'm going to forward the packet. So 10.0, then it's subnet mask 255.255.0, then next okay, destination, that is I'm going to send its packet to 20.0. So that is done. Then I'm going to send its packet to 30. Okay, that also done. So next I have to send packet to from 20 to 10. From 20 to 10 I'm going to send. Okay, from 20 to 30 also I have to send. Done. Okay, then I have to send from 30 to 30. From 30 also I have to send packet to 20 as well as 10. Okay, 10 I have to send first, 30 to 10, then 30 to 20 also I have to send. So now you can see that we can able to forward packet from this PC0 to this successful, right? Yes, we are received successful. From here to here also we can send this. Okay, it is not coming. Okay, it will come successful. It will take time, that's what. Okay, it will take time from here to here. Successful. Okay, you can see it is successful. It is taking time, that's it. So this is actually static routing. If you have one router and three switches, this way you can do the static routing. Okay, this is what I have to explain. I thought of explaining. So thank you guys.